Good morning, students. Welcome to Hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There is a question of simple interest, part 11. An investment of rupees. This is the rupees symbol, Indian rupees symbol. 6,000 earns rupees 180 more as interest than rupees 4,500 if both the sums are invested at the same rate of interest for 3 years. So this is the tenure. So basically we have to understand these questions. There are two investment. One is rupees 4,500 rupees investment, that is for 3 years. Another one is rupees 6,000 investment, that is again for 3 years. So let SI for rupees 4,500 y, SI for 4,500 b, let it be x. Okay, so for 6,000 rupees earns 180 more as interest. So for 6,000 what will be x plus 180? Okay, for 6,000 what will be the SI for 6,000 will be x plus 180. So so problem is like this. SI for this is SI for rupees 6,000 है ना. So SI for statement is like this: 6,000 equal to SI for 4,500 plus 180. The statement is like this. Okay, statement says SI for rupees 6,000 equal to SI for rupees 4,500 plus 180 more. So we are SI. What is the SI का formula? P into R into T upon 100. SI का formula. Okay. So principal is equal to what? 6,000 into R into T upon 100. Okay. SI for 4,500. Similar SI for 4,500. 45 into R in 4,500 into R into 3 upon 100 plus 180. Now you have to solve the equations. Okay, here on the left hand side 2 zeros cancel. 6 3s are 18. 180 r upon 1 means 180 r. I'm directly solving this. This fraction I'm solving here. 2 cancel. 45 3s are 135 r plus 180. Okay, so this is the r wala on right hand side wala goes into the left hand side, so it will become minus 180 r minus 135 r equal to 180. Okay, 180 r minus 135 r equal to 180. So 80 minus so I'll solve it here. 10 minus 5 r ka r. Okay, 7 minus 3 4. 45 r equal to 180. Okay, so r equal to 180 upon 45. R equal to 180 upon 45. So 180 upon 45 approximately 45 4%. If you divide it, so r equal to 4%. So this is one of the beautiful question. So 4% per annum would be an answer for this question. So 4% per annum. So this is one of the best question. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much.